Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this, hit the subscription button and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. So in this session, I will be discussing about recursion.
Holy Grail.
Let's get started. Recursion. This is an algorithmic concept that involves splitting of a problem into two parts, a base case and a recursive case. The problem is divided into smaller subproblems which are then solved recursively until such time as they are small enough and meet some case, that is, it will reach some base case. Once the base case is met, the solutions for each subproblems are combined and their results is the answer to the entire problem. If the base case is not met, the function's recursive case calls the function again with modified values. The code must be structured in such a way that the base case is reachable after some number of iterations, meaning that each subsequent modified value should bring you closer and closer to the base case, otherwise you will stuck in dread infinite loop. In short, recursion is dividing a problem into two parts where the upper part will be of logic and the lower part will be of checking some conditions. It will check until the condition becomes true, or for example, or we can say calling the function from the function itself, or else we can say in a program the lower part or upper part will recursively called by each other. Here is a simple example that we can take into account, that is multiply n by k using addition. Here you can say private static int n times k and parameters are passed followed by system.out.println where n value is printed, and the recursive case is here. If n is greater than 1, it will return k plus n times of k, that is n minus 1 comma k. So it will return the value to int n and int k. Int n will be written with n minus 1 and int k will be written with k. You can observe that recursive function is just like it is calling the function itself. That is what the recursion means. And next followed by base case n is equal to 1 else return k. So in this example you can get an idea that the function is called by itself. That is what the recursion means. And followed by public static void main. Main function prints the int result is equal to n times 4 and 4. Such and finally result is output. You can see output screen, that is 4 3 2 1 resulting to 16. That is the multiplication of all the four numbers, or you can just say factorial of four numbers. Let's discuss in deep in the next slide. Here in this diagram below, that is given here that the execution of the code, each call to n times k is represented by a bubble, and each new recursive call bubble is stacked inside and on top of the bubble that was responsible for calling it. The function recursively calls itself using reduced value until it reaches the base case, that is n is equal to 1. Once it will reach the base case, it passes back the base cases and returns the value of k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 4, that is to the bubble, and called it and continues passing back k. The previously returned value until the final result is multiplied each times, that is recursively, so it will result 1 into 4, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So it will returns 16. In the below part, you can see that once the code hits the base case in the fourth bubble, it returns k, which is 4 to the third bubble. Then the third bubble returns k plus 4, which is 8 to the second bubble. And then the second bubble returns k plus 8, which is 12 to the first bubble. And finally, then the first bubble returns k plus 12, which is 16 to the first line in main. As a result, for n times k of 4 comma 4 returns 16 as the result. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the basic concept of recursion. To get the complete idea and an example solved, Follow this YouTube channel and stay connected. The next video will be on HackerRank solution, that is, we will solve the problem on how recursion works, that is factorial. Thank you all. Meet you all in the next video.